Feeling overwhelmed by Teams assignments? Let's simplify the submission process in just 90 seconds. First, navigate to the Assignments tab in your Microsoft Teams class. You'll find it on the left-hand side of your screen, usually alongside Posts, Files, and other class-related options. Find the specific assignment you need to submit and click on it to open it. Pay close attention to the due date and any instructions provided by your teacher. Now, look for the Add Work button, usually located near the bottom of the assignment details. Click it to begin attaching your files. A window will pop up with several options. You can upload files directly from your computer by selecting Upload from this device, or, if your work is saved in OneDrive, you can choose that option. You can even create a new Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file directly within Teams. Select your file and click Open to upload it. Make sure the file is in the correct format and within the specified size limit. Wait for the upload to complete. A progress bar will show you the status. Once the file is fully uploaded, it will appear as an attachment to your assignment. Finally, and this is crucial, click the Turn In button. This officially submits your assignment to your teacher. Don't forget this step. You should see a confirmation message or animation indicating that your assignment has been successfully submitted. This might be a little check mark or a fun animation, depending on your team settings. After turning it in, you'll usually see an Undo Turn In option, allowing you to make changes if needed before the deadline. But remember, your teacher can see when you've submitted and unsubmitted, so use it wisely. Optional, if time allows. From your teacher's perspective, they can easily review your work, provide feedback directly within Teams, and track your progress. This helps create a collaborative learning environment. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your assignment in Microsoft Teams. Now you can focus on learning and collaborating. #Microsoft Teams #assignments